Hi, this is my case study presentation called Declining Sales and Current Problems for Under Armour. What's the best option? Under Armour options. So these are possible future options for Under Armour. I use these to come up with my decision recommendation, which is that Under Armour should enter new international markets in Asia Pacific while still maintaining its existing markets. So the reasons for this decision. Why does my proposal focus on Asia Pacific markets? Well, this is because the region itself has more than 50% of the population worldwide. They also have a large consumer base, so a lot of people are going out and buying products instead of ordering them online or creating them themselves. Luxury brands are popular, and then also consumers are willing to pay higher prices for these luxury brands because they are held to a higher standard as well. Are there any other companies that have been successful in Asia Pacific? The answer is yes. The first one we have is Nike and Adidas. They have already established stores and marketing incentives in China. And for the purpose of this paper, I am proposing that Under Armour also launch its marketing campaign in China as well. Brooks Brothers is another example. They are a men's and women's apparel company. And then the final one we have is the North Face, which is an outdoor apparel company as well. And both Brooks Brothers and the North Face have stores in Hong Kong right now. So in China, there is a growing interest in the outdoors, nature, and fitness. Under Armour would need to research about the culture and tailor its marketing campaign to these and other Chinese interests. So next is the action plan or strategy implementation, which includes all of the following steps. So right now, 10% of Under Armour's revenue is from its international markets. The objective for Under Armour is going to be to increase that percentage. So we're going to skip down to number 4, which is the strategic plan, which is also the tactics or actions that will be used to research goals and objectives. So here's the marketing initiative. As you can see, the initiative is called China Will, and it goes back to Under Armour's older I Will slogan. So this refers to China's will, their passion, determination, and innovation, which are also Under Armour's core principles. So from this slogan, we are going to make the connection that the Chinese people and Under Armour have something in common. Here's what we're going to be offering. We're going to be going back to our roots. We'll focus on our original sweat-wicking heat gear and also cold gear apparel because this is where it all started for Under Armour. These are our original signature brands that we've had great success with in the United States and also in Canada. And we want to make these available along with our other great products to our Chinese consumers. So we'll explain the whole innovative design technology so that our consumers know the benefits of the product and how these products can help them as they enjoy their outdoor activities. Because as we talked about before, there is a bigger kick towards fitness and being outdoors and in nature in China right now. So we want to really focus on that as we are bringing our products and our marketing into China as well. We'll also create some awesome messaging content about our products, and then from there we'll deliver this information through social media sites. So 2 sites are WeChat and Sino Weibo. And then from there we're also going to be using video marketing to deliver content because it creates the highest return on investment than any other type of promotional content. We're also going to reach out to our Chinese consumers through their mobile devices. So these consumers like to have their information available quickly. So we'll send them discount codes, product incentives, contents, surprises, and customer service options as well, right to their smartphones so they can easily access them. We also want to give consumers a chance to comment on our products and make recommendations through their mobile devices. We're inviting everyone to our grand opening celebration at our new store in Hong Kong. We'll have all kinds of fantastic activities planned, and local Chinese athletes and celebrities will be there to tell us their stories about their own Under Armour experiences as well. So, through our knowledge and respect of Chinese culture, through our customized messaging and promotions, through our social media and video marketing, and through our quality products, Chinese consumers will trust us and they will support us. That's China's will. Thank you.